Hello friends, I am Professor D.R. Pisar from the Shetkari Shikshan Mandas, Bhimrao Sawant College of Engineering and Research, Nare, Pune. Our institute code is EN6649. I welcome all of you for this lecture. Today's our point is, subject is working principle of transformer. So nowadays electricity is very important in our life. In big city such as Mumbai, Pune, Kolkata, in that city nightlife is totally depends upon electricity. Also electric trains, also large industry required huge electricity. So question is arises how this electricity comes from our power generating station to our home. So in power generating station there is voltage level is very high. Why? Because when your transmission lines or your power coming from generating station to our home, then there is required voltage level is huge, because to minimize current and minimizes losses in transmission lines. So how it occurs in this, how achieve this minimization of losses? So you require transformer. Transformer is a device that transfers electrical power from one circuit to another circuit. So transformer is a static device, means there is no any moving part. So this word transformer comes from the word transform. Transformer is not an energy conversion device, but it device changes electrical power from one circuit to another. It may be increases voltage or increases current, or it may be reduces voltage, reduces current. So but supply frequency is same, because when you connected power connection to transformer primary winding, then that frequency is occurs in the secondary winding. Okay. So in this transformer there are basic two types, step up transformers and step down transformer. In step up transformer, voltage of secondary voltage is very high than primary coil, and in step down transformer secondary voltage is low than primary voltage. So transformer is based on the two principles, that is, first that electric current can produce a magnetic flux, secondly electromagnetic induction. So these working principle depends upon two laws, that is Lenz law. Lenz law means when the direction of induced EMF will be such that if it causes or opposes to current that flow in the coil. Okay. And second law is Faraday's law. It states that the induced voltage in a circuit is proportional to the rate of change over time of the magnetic flux which is created in the core. Okay. So this transformer is working also mutual inductance. So what is mutual inductance? So the principle of mutual inductance says that when two electrical coils are placed near to each other, AC electrical current flowing in one coil induces an AC voltage in another coil. This is because current in the first coil creates a magnetic field around the first coil, which is then induces in voltages in second coil. So in this figure it is clear that how EMF is induced and that flux linkages to secondary winding. So the working principle of the transformer, the principle of mutual induction states that when the two coils are inductively coupled and if current in coil change uniformly, then EMF induced in the other coils. This EMF can drive a current when a closed path is provided in on secondary side. Okay. Now if load is connected to a secondary winding, this EMF drives a current through it. The magnitude of the output voltage can be controlled by the ratio of the number of primary winding of primary coil and ratio of turns in the secondary coil. Okay. So this induction law, Faraday's law, states that Vs secondary voltage is equal to Ns, that is number of turns in the secondary coil, and flux, that is d by dt. And also it in same magnetic flux is produced in secondary coil. So since the same magnetic flux passes through both the primary and secondary coil, so ideal transformer, the instantaneous voltage across the primary voltage coil Vp, that is voltage at primary side, it is given as number of coil number of turns of primary coil into d by dt. Okay. So from these two equations the relation is established as follows: Vs upon Vp is equal to Ns upon Np. It means you can decide how many voltage we required at secondary side, or how many current, or how many voltage at primary and how many voltage required at secondary. So it depends on number of turns of coil. It may be on primary or it may be on secondary. So this is the working principle of our transformer. Thank you.